गुड इवनिंग। ये ट्रेड प्लान 14 अगस्त 14 अगस्त 24 वेंसडे के लिए है। अ डे बिफोर इंडिपेंडेंस डे हॉलीडे व्हेन द ट्रेडिंग विल नॉट हैपन। ट्रंकेटेड वीक है। थर्सडे की जगह वेंसडे एक्सपायरी है और कल एक्सपायरी दोनों हैं वेंसडे। बैंक निफ्टी की भी निफ्टी की भी। कुछ तो गड़बड़ है इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट में। कुछ तो गड़बड़ है और खास करके HDFC बैंक में गड़बड़। लुक, एक गैप डाउन ये मैंने आपके लिए आज मार्क कर लिए। रोज बात करता हूं मैं, बट टुडे आई डिसाइडेड टू मार्क दिस एंड दिस विल स्टे। First gap down of 4th July, the first hints of something is wrong came here. Then the massive gap down of 5th July. Gap down क्यों हुए? क्यों? Even if you see there was a non-stop up move. अब कोई भी HDFC बैंक को क्यों हाथ नहीं लगा रहा है? And today, when everything was hunky dory till yesterday, and we were expecting um, HDFC Bank to now hit 1691 or so, it had managed to close above 1656, लेकिन उसके बाद फिर गैप डाउन। कहीं ना कुछ गड़बड़ है। FII, DII, फंड हाउस कोई भी लेना नहीं चाह रहा है इतना बड़ा स्टॉक को। रिलायंस में एक गैप डाउन ये रहा, दूसरा गैप डाउन ये रहा, तो रिलायंस से भी लोग बाहर निकल रहे हैं। FII निकलता जा रहा है बाहर। ये किसके पास स्टॉक है यार? रिटेलर्स थोड़ी ना मूव करते हैं इतना बड़ा बड़ा गैप इन स्टॉक्स में। ये देखिए ICICI बैंक का एक गैप ये है, दूसरा गैप ये है। ये देखिए इन्फोसिस गैप अप हुआ था, उसके बाद यहाँ पे गैप डाउन हुआ 5 अगस्त को। टुडे इट हैज नॉट बीन एबल टू फिल अप द गैप। जूम करके देख लीजिए। इवन दिस गैप इट अटेम्प्टेड बट इट closed towards the lower side of the gap. So why is it that people are not buying the Indian market stocks? Top four stocks of the Indian index Nifty 50 and top two of Bank Nifty, nobody wants to buy. अच्छा, अगर आप देखो निफ्टी में रिलायंस हैज काइंड ऑफ एंडेड वेयर इट हैड स्टार्टेड, स्लाइट गेन्स। ICICI Bank has ended almost where it started, slight losses. Infosys ended where it had closed yesterday, almost cost to cost. HDFC is clearly the odd person out with a massive gap down, and the gap down and the fall continues going on, continues to go on. Up, it's now again ended around the support level. कुछ तो tricky है. And if you understand these four stocks and you understand its movements, by and large, you will be able to understand the Indian stock market. By and large. Okay. Now let's come to Bank Nifty and Nifty. So Nifty has ended exactly at support. This level I've been talking about for quite some time, 24129. This was respected and the market ended at Nifty ended at 24139. Just above this support. तो अगर बाउंस बैक आना होगा तो यहीं से आ सकता है फ्रॉम टुमारो. What is clearly to be observed is the gap down that was created on Monday 5th was never filled. There were feeble attempts here, here, and here. Three feeble attempts to get into this zone. Let me not forget this another gap down here of, ये भी plot कर देता हूँ आपके लिए so that it is a good reference. Nifty has not just got one gap down, Nifty also has got two gap downs. Uh, ये हाफ हार्टेड अटेम्प्ट था और इसको भर नहीं पाए. नाउ with a close at 24129, we have one or two options. Tomorrow, if this breaks, then we are going down. The previous support was around 23,900 and we could achieve that. The actual support is around 24,000 broadly. So 24,000 पे एक psychological support भी है, and it is also the level where supports were seen at these levels around this. So 23,900 to 24 is broadly a support zone. 23,900 to 24. This is around 24,000 and this is around 23,900 is 23,900 is somewhere here. Anyway, so this is the support zone, but also seen today was a clear trend line breakdown. Kal, if it opens positive, and there is a fair chance that it may open positive, it may try to get into this trend once again, जिसमें breakdown हुआ है आज. So which means Nifty could probably start trading around this level or this level or this level. So this range of 23,200 by and large to 23,300 is a range where we may see Nifty bounce to. Possible hai. I'll give you precise levels. Wait, I'll give you more precise levels. ये रहा और ये रहा. Let me make it a little quicker so that you can see it very, very clearly. If nothing else, I know it's a little bit of a too much of a indicators, etc. Just focus on this retracement bit. Let me just try to see if I can hide indicators. Yeah, here it is. Now, if we get a retracement, first resistance will be at 24,200 or so. 205, 235 are the two levels. And the next and the big resistance will be at 24,294. Broadly, 24,300, 24,300. This is where the key resistance will come. And this is where, if someone has not added to a short position today, can carry peacefully till 24,300 or so, maybe even 24,315, this level that was seen earlier, 315.9. तो 300-320 के लेवल के आसपास से you can conveniently go short once again, in my opinion, with a close stop loss, obviously. And you can probably see not only this, you can move all the way down back again, and even this may break, and you can go down to 24,300, 24,400. यहाँ पे तो एक support है. मेरी आज बड़ी उम्मीद थी बैंक निफ्टी से, वो HDFC बैंक ने खत्म कर दी. On the hourly chart, it has on the daily chart, Bank Nifty is again ended close to 49,717. This is a level which has by and large acted as a support, and if this breaks, we are definitely going down to 49,000. 50,000 तो टूट चुका है. There is no point in expecting that 50,000 will be protected. It is already gone, and in fact, the bounce can go only up to 50,000, and then it can again go down. So about 50,000 is somewhere here. So ज़्यादा दम है नहीं है बैंक निफ्टी में. My sense is we may see a break also. So by the time Nifty travels from here to here or whatever, Bank Nifty could travel from here to there. But so Bank Nifty is my preferred index on the downside. And if I get a flat opening and a possibility of move, I'll prefer Nifty calls instead of Bank Nifty calls. So calls on Nifty and puts on Bank Nifty is what I would be focusing on. Mostly this works pretty well. So 8 out of 10 times this works. RSI is weak in both cases. There is no strength anywhere. In fact, RSI for Bank Nifty is weaker. Uh, the right for Bank Nifty can go all the way to 48,500. 49,600 has to breach convincingly, and then we may also see 48,500. This is Bank Nifty. Nifty 21 24,100 is also a great support. जहां पे यहां से बाउंस आया था अभी यहां पे रुका है. But if this breaks, then 23,900 to 24,000, and if that breaks 23,800 is approximate support level. Weekly trend is negative. Daily trend is negative. Hourly trend is negative. It's only a matter of bounce from the retracement level that can give some kind of a up move, which may or may not, which is very unlikely to last, actually, very unlikely to last. So this is 129 level, which is the first key support. But sitting on two gap downs, I won't be surprised if this is broken. Global events apart, I mean, वो तो चलते रहते हैं. यूक्रेन वॉर भी चली रही थी ना. चाइना वॉज लुकिंग एट ताइवान लॉन्ग बैक, वो भी चल ही रहा था ना. और ईरान एंड सॉरी इसराइल एंड हमास वो भी चल ही रहा था ना. Now you have Iran also coming in, you have got USA also posturing, you got other things also, you got Bangladesh, you got वो चलता रहेगा. बट स्ट्रेंथ अब मुश्किल दिख रही है. बाउंस पे आई वुड लव टू शॉर्ट. इट्स अ सेल ऑन रैलीज और सेल ऑन बाउंस. अब देखिए ना, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ट्रेडिंग डेज में इस गैप को वो टच भी नहीं कर पाया, ऊपर तक फिल नहीं कर पाया. I'll be surprised if the move starts going all the way up again. But हाँ, 24,100 ये टूटना चाहिए on the closing basis. This is important. Okay, this is it. I've explained the levels on the lower side, on the upper side. What is our India VIX saying? India VIX seems to be not indicating any SOS. 16.3. Nothing great, nothing bad. So we are not getting any hints from India VIX for further up move. So these are the levels: 205, 235 or 300. These are the areas where one can go short, and maximum attention should be let it reach 300, 320 zone, and that is where one should add to the short positions ideally, or initiate short positions somewhere here. 294 जो लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. That is it. Do not jump to putting all your money at the same time. This is a common mistake people do, and then things go haywire when the market goes against them and they start panicking and exit, booking out losses. Do not do that. Nibble at every level, add and trade peacefully. Feeling sleepy tonight. Okay, see you tomorrow at 9 in the live session. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends and with your network and your groups. Let everybody benefit. All of you have been benefiting from this channel. It's my humble attempt to add value to your trading. See if you can add value to other people as well. Thank you. Good night.